Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Marley here, and this is gonna be a tutorial on how I do my rope twist. And I'm gonna start here by parting the back of the mannequin's head. Here I wasn't really looking to get a clean part just because it's just a doll, and I'm gonna end up taking out anyways. But I still try my best to get the part as clean as I could. But if I were doing a client's hair, I would use some shining gem and I would apply it on the part, and that's gonna help me clean up the part as well as grip the hair. I didn't do that here because it would be a waste of product and also very pointless. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and part the back section into 3 even parts. But here I was not trying to get it even because it's a mannequin's head, and yeah, very pointless. And it just like that. I think they look pretty even here, if I do say so myself. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and clip those 2 sections away. If I was doing someone's hair, I would put some shining gem on that part also. That's just gonna help the hair stay together, and it's also gonna help me grip the hair also. And then I went ahead and part that part into 2 smaller parts. This part doesn't have to be even because you're just gonna twist over it anyways. And then right now I'm grabbing my braiding hair. Alright, so I'm just gonna place it on the hair, one side to the left and one side to the right, and I'm gonna hold it tight with my left hand, and I'm gonna start twisting on my right. I'm just showing you guys my process. Here I'm just gonna start twisting it on my right. I start twisting about 3 or 4 times, or just until I feel that I have a good grip on there. Then as you can see, I just toss it over, cross it over to my left hand, and then I twist to my right, and then you should get a knot just like that at the top. And you're just gonna continue that same process by twisting on your right hand and then crossing over to your left, twisting on your right and then crossing over to your left. You're gonna repeat that same technique until you get to all the way to the bottom. And when you're doing twists, you have to actually make sure that you twist the hair, or otherwise you're just gonna get a puffy mess, and don't nobody, I can't even talk, and don't nobody want their hair looking a hot mess, you know. Just twist on your right and then crossing over to your left. I say if you're doing rope twists and then your hand don't get tired, then that just means you're not twisting hard enough. I'm just twisting the hair just like that until I get to the very end. And then when I get to the end, I'm going to show y'all what I do so the twist can stay in place. Alright y'all, you want to make sure you twist as far as you can get it, because when you do that, it makes it gives it a cleaner look, in my opinion. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little piece of that really small section. I'm just gonna tie a little knot. You can either do a knot or you can braid it. It's really up to you. I just did a knot. That's what I always do. And then that knot is gonna help the hair stay in place, and it's not going nowhere. It's not gonna unravel, it's just gonna stay there. And then the knot is barely noticeable too. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the last 2 sections. I'm gonna repeat the same technique on the last 2 also. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and separate the 2 parts and then split that part. Well, I'm gonna put that one away first. Come on girl, hurry up, we ain't got all day. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip that part away. Alright, and then I'm gonna split my part into 2 smaller parts. Alright, placing the weave hair, the braided hair over the natural hair, and hold it with my left hand and then twisting on my right. Twisting about 3 or 4 times, or until I feel like I have a stronger grip. Cross over to my left and then twist it on my right. Right, twist it on my right and then cross over to my left. I don't know if y'all noticed it, but on the first 2 twists I did it 3 or 4 times, and then after I crossed it, then that's when you only twist it once and then cross it over to your left hand. So the first 2 times you twist 3 or 4 times and then cross it over to your left hand, and then the rest of it, I should say, and then you only do it once and then cross it over to your left hand. And I'm just gonna repeat that same technique again until I get to the very end. Here I'm just doing the same thing again when I tie the knot, so it can help the hair stay together. Alright y'all, so this is gonna be the last twist. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that one off camera, and I'll be right back with the final results. Alright y'all, I'm back, and with the final results. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I hope you learned something new here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye. Thanks for watching.